Math Uncle makes math easy. रट्टा बना समझना शुरू करो. Math Uncle makes math easy.
Hi friends, welcome to Math Uncle. I am Rajesh Kalra, your Math Uncle for the day. I just taught you about the integers and whole numbers you must have seen in the last episode. आज हम आपको बताने वाले हैं how to multiply and divide integers. And I'll teach you a very simple way. Very simple way you will never forget. Okay, the way is like, think of an angel as a positive, think of a devil as a negative, or let's say think of a friend as a positive and think of a enemy as a negative. So a friend's friend is a friend. So positive into positive is positive. An enemy's enemy is also a friend. Think of it. Nowadays we are in lockdown, we are watching Ramayana and all that. There was a fight between Ravan and Ram, and his brother Vibhishan suddenly became Ravan's enemy and he became Ram's friend. So why did Ram accept him? Because Vibhishan was an enemy of Ravan. So enemy's enemy became a friend. So minus and minus also become positive. Minus into minus become positive. Now let's take a friend's enemy. If you have a friend and he has an enemy, then automatically it should be your enemy. So plus into minus becomes minus. And if you have an enemy and that enemy has a friend, आपको आपके दोस्त है और उसका जो दुश्मन है वो भी तो आपका दुश्मन है. आपका दोस्त थोड़ी हो सकता है. A friend's enemy also becomes an enemy. So positive plus into minus becomes minus, and minus into plus becomes minus. So what did you learn? What you're learning is two like sign become positive, two unlike sign become negative. And as I say, you can see the graphs behind. Now, dividing integers. So I'm giving you some examples. If it's minus 33 divided by minus 3, it becomes positive 11. If it's minus 90 divided by minus 10, it becomes positive 9. Now, minus 20 divided by 2 will become minus 10. And 6 divided by minus 6 will become minus 1. If you see, we have applied the same rule. A friend's friend is a friend, an enemy's enemy is a friend, a friend's enemy is an enemy, and an enemy's friend is an enemy. And always remember, two unlike signs become a negative sign, two like signs become a positive sign. So that is multiplying and dividing integers. But the rule changes a bit when we add and subtract integers. The rule is the same, but what happens is you keep the absolute value of the number which is greater. Let's say plus 7 plus 2 becomes plus 9. Plus 7 minus 2. Plus 7 minus 2. If we go by the multiplication fact, it should be minus 5. No. Plus 7 minus 2 becomes 5. And you keep the sign of the number which was greater. Plus 7 was greater, so it becomes plus 5. Now we come to the most confusing part. 6 minus minus 3 becomes 6 plus 3 equals to 9. You know why? Because subtracting a negative is like adding a positive. Always remember that you will get confused in this. 6 minus minus 3 will become 6 plus 3 equals to 9. 8 minus 2 becomes 6, and minus 3 plus 6 becomes 3. This is also confusing. Minus 3 plus 6 becomes 3. Why? Because you keep the sign of the number which is bigger. You can see it in the animations that you have to keep the sign of the biggest whole number.
Math Uncle makes math easy. Stop mugging up and start learning. Math Uncle. Uncle makes math easy. Stop mugging up and start learning. Math Uncle makes math easy. रट्टा बना समझना शुरू करो. Math Uncle makes math easy.